Ours as life gets better. Euroclidon moving up. Queen of the Nile. Eutychus also moving up. This time, Forerunners fighting it out for the lead. Life gets better. Moving up in double fortune. Queen of the Nile. Eutychus. Then down or inside. Euroclidon. Life gets better. American Paria. Parisian Life. And trailing the group is Black Star. We have number 4, Queen of the Nile, Euroclidon is down or inside. And in third, Eutychus. Life gets better, still in fourth, American Fairy and Black Star. Queen of the Nile, Euroclidon, fighting it out for the lead. Eutychus, still in third, American Fairy. Life gets better and Black Star. Queen of the Nile, Euroclidon is running by the rail. Eutychus joining them on the outside third. And in fourth now, Black Star moving up. Life gets better, American Fairy. Queen of the Nile, Eutychus, Euroclidon, American Fairy as the field turns for Roma. Queen of the Nile, Euroclidon, Eutychus, American Paria is down or inside. It's now Eutychus, Euroclidon, American Paria. Black Star is squeezing down or inside. But it's still Euroclidon. Life gets better, Black Star. And finally, it's going to be Euroclidon. Life gets better, close with Black Star, Eutychus.
Let's take a look this demo replay. Nagdikta nga ng pacing dito yung numero 4, Queen of the Nile, hanggang dyan sa may last bend for Rome. At dyan nga sa may last bend for Rome, medyo napatras na nga ito. Yung Euroclidon, na shunting eventual winner, yung in orange cap, yan na nga. Nauuna na nga dyan yung numero 5, Eutychus. Kala natin magtutuloy-tuloy na si Eutychus dyan. Pero ito, muling makabalik ng laban, numero 3, Euroclidon. Under Ryan A. Base at nagpaparimati din yan. Tabing bala, Life Gets Better together with Black Star na siyang malakas din ang dating dito, ha? At yan nga yung ating isa sa mga protagonist for photo for second. At tingnan natin, magiging datingan, unang tatawid ang finish line, 3, Euroclidon. So 3, ito yung photo for second. Okay, tapos klarong pang-apat naman, yung 5, Eutychus. Yung photo for second natin, it's between 1 and 7.